So if we inspect the code, we will see that the hello world is inside the body tag, right? So it automatically generated a HTML for the, and it added the hello world inside the body. So this is the first code you have learned. So when we are write or print anything, so what we will use document dot write any text. So the, I can write hello. So the second amna. So if I add amna and reload, okay, it changed, right?
Yeah,
Now
you
I'll
are.
give. Okay, so this is very simple step I just shown you. So print just a message in a browser. Okay. So I want to give a very small mathematic solution problem to you. I want to see, it's very easy. Just I want to see how quickly you can solve this. In give me the solution. I am adding in the chat box. So how did you solve this? Right, do it in your exercise book and give me the snap or mean a picture of the solution. No need to write in here. Just do it in your exercise book and give me the snap. I am giving you 3 minutes for this. So we will now use the same concept in our programming. Let the name, I added name equal Zahid Hassan and added a double quotation inside it because this is a string. So when we use any string, we will use the quotation mark. Okay. Now I am running the code, the same JS file in here, and we are getting the name in here. So what if we can do like we can print a number. Let number $20. Okay. So now we are print the number as well. So now I am getting two things, right? The first is printing the name and second one is printing the number. So this is called variable in JavaScript. Like name, like number, all are the variable. Okay. So if you want to define something, then we have to use the variable. Okay. So we have three types of variable in JavaScript. The first one is we can use the constant as well. Constant, C-O-N-S-T. Constant, like pi. Pi is a constant, right? The value is 3.4. So if we run it, we will get three output together, okay? So if we change the number, like we have already let number 20. So we want to change the number. Like it has 20 first, I want to change it to 50. But I will not remove the first line. What we'll do? If we add again 50 and number, and it will give a error because the number with let already defined in the top. So how will we update the number? We will just remove the let from the beginning because the number is already defined. Now what we will get? So this is called 50, right? So are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's difficult or easy? This is the
Normal,
ABC.
sir.
Yeah, this is the ABC of the programming. Like you first, what did you learn when you learn English? Firstly, you learn the alphabet, right? Then you learn word, then you learn the sentence, and then you learn the many things. So these are the ABC of the JavaScript programming. So we are learning now the variable. Okay. So the problem is, so we are learning two thing in here. So let can be used multiple time. Like I am adding number, then again I change the number. So it is now coming to 50. But what we'll do for constant? If I again define the constant and define it 3.7, then what will it show? It will not show anything because it is showing an error, uncaught type of error, invalid assignment up to constant. So you will get the error message from console, okay, in here. Because when you define a constant, it should not be called again. It is not possible to recall, okay? You have to call only one time. So now I am creating another file. So now we will multiply, sum, or subtract. So let x equal 40. Let y equal 70. Let z equal 100. Okay. Now I want to sum all together. So what we'll do? Just x plus y plus z. And we will define another variable. Let sum. And if we sum, print the sum and open the file, what we'll see? The total of the number, okay? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
We want to multiply the x and y. So we use the sign star for the multiply, okay? Let then we want to another things. Z minus y. It all are coming together, maybe it not making sense, right? So you can comment one by one, like when we add two slashes before a code, it will comment out, okay? So at first we see this output, multiply. So 60x into y equal, it's okay, right? Then from the subtract. So 100 minus 70 is 30, okay?
Okay.
So what happen now if I want to make the division, like I want to divide 100 by 40. Z by divide, okay? I am adding a comment so that you will understand easily. By x equal, sorry. Okay. So 100 divided by 40 is 2.5. So if we want only the remainder, I mean not the absolute value, right? I want to divide and want to check what's the remainder. Like if I divide 100 by 40, what will be the remainder? It's 20, right? Hello?
Okay. Sir, can you repeat, please?
So if we divide 100 by 40, what will be the remainder of the division?
20, sir.
Yeah, so we want to check by the It's 20, right? So there is another kind of variable, it's called var, okay? VAR. We can also use that as a variable. So I am going to give you the file to you, these two files, so that you can practice and test by yourself, okay?
Okay, sir.
So I am not want to go very quickly as the programming is very new to you. Okay, another thing, so what we can concat. Do you know what is concat? Concat means?
No, sir.
Concat means merge two word or the text together. Like I have let a string, a string called I am Zahid, and another string 1, string 2. I live in Bangladesh. So now I want to write this together. str1 plus str2. So this will merge two sentence together. So if we run this, I am Zahid, I live in Bangladesh. Okay. So it will be more understandable. So like string 1 plus string 2. Then let another string called string 3. Then we will print only string 3 in here. So both the same output, right? So you see that when we do the sum, we also use the plus. And also when we are merging two string together, we are also using the sum. For sum, what is doing in here? We are just doing the addition, and for text, we are doing the merge to string or sentence. So we'll call this as a string in programming. What is included the quotation mark, okay? So like now, if I add the x before the str, x is an integer value, right? The number called integer. this is an integer because there is no floating point. I mean the decimal value inside it. So this is called a integer value. So if we add x before the string and print, what will be the output? Could you, anyone can say? Anybody? What will be the output if we go to the browser? What will show in here? So 40, okay. Before it will come 40, I am Zahid, I live in Bangladesh. Okay. Then what if we add y as well before the string? Then what will it show? Now what will be the output in here?
And 110.
Okay, good. And I adding the z in last. So what will be the output now? X plus y plus string 3 plus z. So what will be the output? So it will just add the value of z if at the end of the string. Okay. But first, as it get the first word, two thing is as integer, the summation. They made the addition together because programming are execute one by one. I mean sequence wise. So now if I add this y, I am adding a string 1 plus y plus string 2 plus z. Then you will see it will not do any summation. All are will be in different and they are adding together as a one string. Okay, I am okay from today because I think it's okay for today. So, do you have any question? Please ask. Any question?
What is purpose of dog ride?
Sorry, what is purpose of?
Dog ride.
Dog ride? What I mentioned it in the first. So, dog ride is the output. To get the output, so if I don't have any document dot write in a page like simple math, so if I run this, we will get nothing because all are doing their calculation, but we are not getting anything in our eye in our browser because
Browser
we,
को
we have to write the result to the browser. That's why we are using the document dot write. Okay.
okay sir.
There is another thing we can use like alert. Okay. So as we will not use any document.write, we will see the output using alert. But this is, if you use alert and run, you will see the output as a pop-up. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But I am
Thank you
not
so
going.
much, sir.
Okay, I am sending this in the group. So take the zip file and you can change the value, the variable in here. Everybody download the zip file and practice it by changing this value, the variable name, the string, etc. Also open the comment from here, because if you comment out this, you want to check the output, just uncomment the line using the slash. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay,
I
the
tried the best.
Okay. Okay, do the practice and also submit your HTML homework in the group in Slack. Okay, so that I will check. And in the next class, we'll go more deeper in programming. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.